Hey Tool Nuts, I'm Doug with toolnut.com. Today we're going to unbox the new Milwaukee M12 Mounting Fan. So previously Milwaukee only offered a fan in the M18 line. This, like I always start off as I'm opening here, this right now is only being offered as a bare tool from Milwaukee, meaning this does not come with a battery or charger. You would have to already be part of the M12 line to use this fan. We do, though, on toolnut.com, offer packages where we've packaged it, if you don't have a battery and charger, that way. So you can purchase it if you don't have the battery or charger. That was the one biggest thing that when we got this, or that when Milwaukee showed this to us, that the 18-volt version you could plug in with a wall adapter or use it cordless with their 18-volt battery. This will only run off of a 12-volt battery, so no wall adapter available for this. So on this unit, 3 speeds. Here's your on-off switch right here. You do have a fuel gauge. Here, let me pop in one of the M12 batteries so you can see that here. This will take all styles of M12 battery, both that and the flat bottoms, larger amp hours. I'm going to point that out also. So if I pop this in and I turn it on, you can see the fuel gauge goes on to show how much here. And you got multi-speeds on the unit. I believe that'll go up to 14 miles per hour on that. So a little bit smaller as far as the unit goes. This though, the head goes all the way around, where the previous 18-volt model only did, I think, about 120 degrees on the head. So that was pretty cool. This does come with a clamp built into it and also magnets. The magnets are super strong. So unlike an electrical panel or something like that, we tried it out on another unit at the store. It's very strong magnets on I-beams. It will also go to that. And on this clip, you know, rafters, 2x4s, very strong, so you can hang it up. And it is spring loaded, so it does return back into place on that. Got little rubber feet there. And then once you have it hanging upside down, obviously you can change the angle of the head. Yeah, I mean, that's the biggest thing right there. For all the other information and specs, check this out now at toolnut.com.